If you replace a set of aftermarket wheels and tires with the wrong offset, or a set of larger calipers with insufficient wheel clearance, wheel spacers are the easiest and most effective way to help solve these problems. And if you want to get your wheels flush to the fender with stock wheels, spacers can also achieve this effect. Usually, the thickness required for the rear wheels will be thicker than the front wheels.
By providing a more even distribution of weight across the wheel assembly, Hub-Centric wheel spacers can reduce the stress placed on individual components, such as the wheel bearings and suspension. This can increase the durability of components and reduce the risk of accidents and breakdowns. For 1-inch wheel spacers are exactly safe, especially since they are Hub-Centric wheel spacers. At their thickness, you start to notice subtle changes in the vehicle's appearance and handling. For most truck owners who occasionally drive off-road but also use their vehicle on city streets, 1-inch tire spacers are a balanced choice. Good Hub-Centric wheel spacers are designed for the racetrack that need specific load requirements. Bonus Forge active cooling wheel spacers come with multi-stage Hub-Centric rings. The Hub-Centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers perfectly fit the corresponding hub spacers. This design is effective in eliminating the vibration of wheels. The Bonus Forge active cooling wheel spacers are vehicle-specific. This means they are made according to your vehicle specification, so you are worry-free about vibration issue.
Choosing the right wheel spacer involves careful consideration of material quality, thickness, capability with your vehicle. High-quality spacers can improve the driving experience by enhancing handling, stability, and appearance.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get these bonus wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you in the next video. Bye bye!